Welcome to Trance, the channel for feeling good through movement. I'm G and I've been a well-being consultant for 20 years. In this 5-minute session, you're going to learn super simple moves you can make at your desk to prevent back and neck ache and to get a quick reboost to continue your day efficiently. Of course, Trance has a lot more to offer to feed your soul and body. So remember to subscribe with the bell and to explore the channel at will. Now get equipped. All you need is your desk or table and a chair. Are you ready? Here we go. For a session of straightening the back and releasing tension from the back. For each exercise, remember to try and bring the collarbones up to the ceiling. That will help your back keeping straight. We're going to start by shrugging the shoulders to release neck tension. So we let the arms along the body and breathe in and shrug the shoulders. Hold the breath and release. Again, breathe in and hold and release. A third time, breathe in, hold and release. Nice, good. We're going to shake the head slowly, saying yes. A few times. Breathe in as you bring the head up and back, and breathe out as you bring down. Think of things that also release your inner tension, such as, will I eat pizza tonight? Yes, yes. Or, no, no. And as you do so, you may also think of pulling the eyes backwards. No, no. Collarbones up. Nice. Now we're going to loosen the hands and shoulder blades. For this, clench both fists and open the fists. Clench, open. And you might want to do this as you open the arms out to the sides and bring the shoulder blades together, squeeze them together at the back and back to the front. Do this a few times. And now roll the hands in circles in one direction and the other direction. Remember to bring the chest and collarbones up so as to make sure the back is nice and straight. Good. Shake the hands out. Now we're going to release the upper body and back with a torso twist. Again, collarbones up and start turning. Look to the back and pull with your elbow and hands, pull on the chair. Pull, 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 and also pull the eyes to the side and the back. And come back to center on an in-breath and breathe out, go to the other side. Pull, chest up, pull the neck, pull the eyes. Breathe in. Again. One time this way, pull a few millimeters more each time you do it. Breathe in. Last time, chest up, twist, twist, twist and pull. Breathe out, pull the eyes. Breathe in, come back to center and last time. Pull, pull, bring the chest through. Pull the eyes and back to center. Nice. Good. You can twist the neck a little bit, circle it a little bit. And now we're going to work on the shoulders and back a little more, and also on the legs to make sure that the back chain of muscles all the way down to the ankles is kept healthy. Alright, so you're going to place both hands on the table like this, or on your desk actually. Stand up, facing your desk, and start pulling your chest down by walking the feet backwards. Pull the chest down, and in a moment I'm going to pull the chest through, and with each outward breath bring the chest further down and bring the hips further up, and keep the head in line with the spine like this, and do about 9 deep powerful breaths with each one. Bring the chest further down towards the floor, bring the armpits further down towards the floor, and bring the buttocks up further up towards the ceiling. Keep the head in line with the shoulders. Down, pull down. With each outward breath, gain a few millimeters down. Keep the legs nice and straight. And now we're going to come back up. Nice and slow. Walk the feet back towards your desk. And stand and feel how that feels. Now that's it.
You can contact me or join one-to-one remote classes where you will learn to do things like this.
And all the things. And live healthily forever after.